Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before, so that is where the green line annotation here is coming from, and this is also where the first update comes into play that then directly pertains to the price action from today. So the update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right here at 31 cents was the area of support. It was violated. So per the rule, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that's exactly what happened here. I mean, this afternoon long, which to give some credit where credit's due, that was a very impressive movement. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that the price was just cruising around down here, then all of a sudden surged all the way up to there. So sure, that level did prevent it from going any further. Compared to where it was, still an overall very bullish day and sets up and makes a very interesting setup now going into Friday. But point here being 31 cents is the key level of resistance, and it totally makes sense why the price did, stumble around that area. But in the event the price can push through that level, I do want to get one more area of resistance mapped out just in case that does play out, with the next level of resistance then being up there at 34 cents. So a break of 31, especially if it's a high volume break. I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, but I don't think it would be too shocking at all to see the price potentially make its way up to that 34-cent mark. But again, one step at a time. First, the price has got to be able to break above 31 cents, and again, a high volume break of that area. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to really report. It's still all about where the bleeding stopped previously, and that's been down here right around the 28-cent mark. But really, levels of support are not the interesting attribute right now. The interesting attribute is the fact that, reason number one, as I already talked about, the price has bounced very nicely. And then now reason number two, it's sitting right at that area of resistance. So let's see if the price can get the breakout and, close out the week with a bang on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.